Yes, there you
Hi.
are.
Hello.
Hi. Nice.
Hello.
Look at you, all bindi and sari and everything. Yeah, very pretty.
Yeah, I love to dress up like that all the time.
Nice.
I
Acha,
don't
all the
leave,
time.
but I don't leave an excuse. I used to wear saris to work. Back in India, I have worn sari to work here.
You're
Uh,
in Darwin now, right?
yes, I'm in Darwin.
Nice,
So
nice. It's
love
it's
that.
supposed to be Darwin is supposed to be like Bombay. It's supposed to be or like Kerala. It's supposed to be really humid and rains and stuff.
Goa, Goa,
Goa.
Bombay. Yeah.
Nice. And had you traveled to Australia before you moved here? No, oh my God, high five. Me too.
My husband did, however, but
Acha, nice. Okay.
he's been here before, yeah. He has his
Okay.
extended family over here.
Acha, okay, nice. Yeah, but that's
Mm,
different. That's not you. When did
sure.
you move here?
October 2024.
Oh my God, same time as me.
That's when
Oh,
I messaged
shit.
you. I was like, hey, we're here. Yes, the same time.
And we've known each other for a long time. Yeah, we've known each other from India. So it's
Yeah,
such
years
a
ago.
coincidence.
Yes,
Years.
years. Yes, yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
How are you
Yeah.
liking Australia? How is it different?
Oh, the generals. I mean, air, water, stuff like that.
Huh. The
वो तो
basics.
सब है ही. Uh, but it somehow worked out that we moved to Darwin. We never planned, of course, but somehow things worked out for us and we moved to Darwin, and I am loving that. I mean, of course, we were driven by that वो जो एक common perception है about Darwin. People don't know about this place, this state,
Huh.
this city. Um, so they're like, it's the outback, it's the regional. ऐसे words, these words kind of define Darwin. But I have come here and it's everything that I imagined about Australia. People are
Ah.
laid back, uh, people are like very, very calm, very not in a hurry, not in a rush. Puri city is like at a 20 minutes distance from one point to the other.
हाँ डाविन छोटा है या
So there's no traffic. Oh my God. I walk to work. My husband walks to work. We like 4 minutes and 5 minutes. Uh,
wow
and
that's a
we have the ocean
dream.
to see. It's beautiful.
It is yeah, I've only been to
Mm.
Darwin once when I used to work on the trains. We had like
Mm.
a overnight stay there at one of the hotels
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and
The Ghan, right? You worked for the Ghan.
yeah
Yeah.
and then it was it
Oh.
was it was it was nice. I mean and again at the hotel breakfast counter the guy was Indian and I was like अरे यहाँ पे भी हम लोग हैं because
Oh,
my
यहाँ पे
impression
तो
of
सिर्फ
Darwin
इंडियन
also
है.
हाँ my impression of Darwin was also कि वो छोटा है
Hmm.
outback में है and all that
Hmm.
stuff.
Hmm.
But the thing is Australia में like यहाँ पे South Australia में Adelaide is also supposed to be regional. And
हाँ.
if you come to South Australia and like I applied for some art grants, they were like, oh, but
Oh.
you are in Adelaide, you are not in regional South Australia. I said, अरे तुम लोग decide कर लो पहले कि regional है क्या? I'm so confused. The categories are very
Right.
like a bit confusing here because of that.
Yes, yes. And मतलब I have now realized कि ये stereotypes हैं यहाँ के. इनके
हाँ,
basis पे कोई decision नहीं लेना चाहिए. It's like your own experience is the key. So
sure.
I love
Yeah,
it here now.
even when before I moved here, there was like I had a lot of questions because I'd never traveled here and I knew that I
Mm,
had to come to Adelaide. But
mm,
everyone that I knew was in Sydney or Perth or
mm,
Melbourne. And
mm,
I spoke to almost 50 people. So that's 50 hours of phone calls. And people were very generous with their time. And I had like a million questions. And people answered those questions. But at the end of the calls, I would realize that everyone's answering it from their own perspective.
right,
So
right.
eventually I came to the conclusion कि खुद जाके ही पता चलेगा.
That's right.
So yeah.
Yes, yes. मेरा तो कोई plan भी नहीं था ऑस्ट्रेलिया का. When I started to think about moving out of India, it was Canada. I had friends there. I
Oh,
was like, I'm gonna go to Canada. And my husband then had reservations for Canada. It was so cold.
oh yes, I
Perth
agree with
was
your
so
husband. Yes.
cold. अरे he doesn't like Melbourne for that matter कि वहां पे भी ठंडा
Oh,
है. So he
हाँ.
loves it here. और kind of I've adapted. I wanted to move to Melbourne because of its art identity, cultural, and all of those things.
Sure.
But things work out the way they want to
Yeah.
work out.
No,
It's
I
just like
feel
what
like,
you want
yeah,
all
I
the
feel
time.
like Darwin is on its way. Like Melbourne,
Hmm.
like मुझे ऐसे लगता है like people from Adelaide who start doing well in their careers, like in the art
Hmm.
space, etc., or like content space, they all
Hmm.
move to Melbourne or to Sydney. And then if they start
Hmm.
doing well in Sydney, they move out of Australia. Which is
Hmm.
why I feel like in places like Darwin and Adelaide, there are huge gaps that can be filled by people like us. Which is why
But
I,
यहाँ पे, sorry, यहाँ पे there is like so many jobs and मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है if people start to they get to know more about Darwin और जैसे यहाँ पे resources की कमी है and the amount of jobs people have here, it's only
yeah,
the matter of time कि यहाँ पे
yes.
भी it's like a
Yeah,
metro
and
city.
Darwin is like the gateway to Indonesia. It's like right there.
Oh, Bali is 2 hours, man. I'm
I
like,
know. मुझे भी जाना है बाली. मैं इंडिया में भी
yeah,
रह के कभी बाली गई नहीं हूँ. तो यहाँ पे आके तो I was like अब तो जाना पड़ेगा जरूर.
yes, and
Have you been?
stop here before you go there.
I will. I can't wait to see you.
When we talk to family and friends back in India, तो उनके कोई भी plans बनते हैं तो वो कहते हैं कितनी लंबी flight है ये है वो है. So I always tell them you come to Bali, stay there for like few days and then come to Darwin. तो वो तो 2 घंटे
हाँ.
की flight है, that'll be like easy peasy.
Easy.
So
Yeah. Yeah. I'm sure you guys have cruises also there, right? Darwin to
yes,
Bali cruise.
yes.
Ah, oof. Too good. Too good. But I
यार
think the
यहाँ पे
only.
तो यहाँ पे जो यहाँ का स्टेट न्यूज़पेपर एनटी न्यूज़ that kind of is whenever a cruise lands on the dockyard, so it's news. Like people talk about it because tourism, like in Goa and Goa, Kerala, and India, they get their economy running with tourism. So
Tourism. Yeah.
that's what it is like here. So जब भी कोई बड़ा ship आके खड़ा होता है तो we get pictures. अब
So.
my workplace is like on the shore. So I get to
Ooh.
see that from my cafe window, but yeah, it's news as well. So वो एक अलग experience है, by the way. It's just the ships are huge. Oh my God,
Huge.
they're huge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting. But that's such a huge like economic advantage also for a place like Darwin because all these people,
Hmm.
yeah. Yeah, that's what I said, tourism. यहाँ पे भी South Australia में tourism is like a really big deal.
Hmm.
There's so many things that happen around tourism
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, interesting.
So
So back
Darwin
in
is split into two seasons, dry and wet. तो
dry and wet.
wet तो वो humid season है, उसमें बहुत शांत हो जाता है. And dry season there are like concerts, there are like festivals, there are markets, and it's whole
Yeah.
another world.
Yeah.
So it's
I feel
yeah.
like Adelaide में तो पूरा साल ही season रहता है. I think when it gets really, really cold, maybe for like a
Hmm.
month, then
Hmm.
things are a bit slow. But
Hmm.
otherwise, things are on here like all the
Hmm.
time. Something or the other is always happening.
And there is another thing about the culture in Australia. People come here in Darwin for the entirety of the dry season, like 3 months, 4 months. और यहीं आ जाते हैं और यहीं रेंटल्स लेते हैं, फिर यहीं काम करते हैं. They earn, they roam around, they have fun. लोग मतलब ओपन एयर तो कैफेज और वो है पब्स हैं यहाँ पे, तो वो पूरी एक रोड है मिचल स्ट्रीट करके, एंड देन it's like people are just roaming around that street, that road, like they're roaming around in a park, like having the time of their lives.
So
It's so fun
cool.
to watch. I
Yeah.
relished it. I relished it. Really.
Nice, nice. And back in India, you used to be an illustrator and an artist. Are you?
That's my passion project actually. I am an IT professional. I'm an engineer. I'm turned into a project manager. So I've been in IT for the longest time. I think
I only
what
know you as an illustrator and artist. बाकी सब मुझे नहीं पता.
Yeah, so I think everybody told me कि when you move to Australia, your work would get much more audience and much more sort of appreciation.
So
So I was,
interesting. अच्छा.
yeah, more than India, I guess. Like India में समझाना पड़ता है. It feels like that. And there's this abundance of art and culture in India that I sometimes artists feel lost in that crowd. But यहाँ पे is not so common. वैसे ही the population is so less, and then उसमें
Yes.
कोई creative निकल आए तो they like worship that person. Like I'm
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
worshipped in my workplace for the kind of things I do. मतलब
Wow. I know what you
these
mean. No, no,
things,
I
yeah.
totally get it because here I think people understand like art and creativity, and there's a
Yeah.
lot of importance given to developing that
Yes.
also. Which is
Yes.
why even in
Absolutely.
Adelaide there are so many grants. मुझे grants लिखनी नहीं आती हैं इसलिए मैंने अभी कुछ किया नहीं है.
Yeah, that's
But
fine.
there's so many grants and like
Mm.
funding for if whatever you want to do,
Yeah.
photography,
Absolutely.
painting,
Yeah.
performance arts, it's full of that.
Yeah. 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 Absolutely. Yes. So, thoda things, we will let things to settle down a bit. Then I intend to take on like a professional course or a scholarship or
Acha,
something and do
nice.
that
Very
professionally,
nice.
like
Of course,
recognized.
yeah. But you have been doing your illustrations and your art for like how many years now?
Calligraphy, my niche would be calligraphy and lettering. Like I
Okay.
work with not type, but uh, typefaces and stuff like
Typefaces,
that.
yeah.
Yeah, it's a huge part of graphic design, architecture, and stuff like that.
Yes, yes.
So yeah, I kind of developed that from a very young age, from school, say.
School से
It started.
अच्छा, damn
I've
cool.
not had any professional koi
That's okay, it doesn't matter. If
yeah.
you're good at
Yeah,
it, who
just
cares?
practice and learning over the internet, seeing other artists' work
हाँ,
and
exactly.
grasping stuff from them. It was
Yeah,
that. So I've,
yeah. But it's, it's so much fun. Like after I did my MBA and I did my first job, my first introduction to work was also related to graphic design. And, there were
mm,
typefaces and type forms. And that's the
yeah.
first time I learned that it's not a font, like it's a typeface. Don't just fucking call it a font. And I was like, oh, अच्छा, ऐसे होता है. उसके बाद मुझे बड़ा मजा आता था सबको बोलने में कि font नहीं, ये typeface है.
Yeah. Font is something basically you type, you get on a digital platform.
Yeah.
Typefaces are also digital, but they are
Yeah.
more than just a font. So yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
Things like, the kerning and you look at each piece, how you put it together and
Yeah,
stuff like that.
yeah,
Yeah. मेरे को तो
yeah,
बहुत time हो गया अभी काम करे. When I used to make logos and stuff, then this was a very
oh,
important part of my job and all.
yeah, yeah,
Even
yeah.
when I was in
Mm.
school, I used to have this sketchbook of mine, like A4 sheets. उसमें every page was one letter of the alphabet. And then I would,
Wow.
design it in different ways and all. I don't have
Mm,
it with me anymore, but मैं
mm,
वो सब भी किया हुआ है. I'm sure we
mm,
all go through that same phase of like नया फॉन्ट बनाना है, हैंडराइटिंग का फॉन्ट
mm.
बनाना है, ये कैसे बनेगा, फॉन्ट फाइल कैसे बनती है.
Yeah,
Find that
yeah, that's
fascinating even
right.
now. Good
Yeah,
fun.
yeah, yeah,
So,
absolutely, yes.
what kind of stuff have you been doing in your illustration and calligraphy since you got to Darwin? Have you done anything? Like, I'm not saying
Uh,
professionally, but like your own things. Have you made stuff?
yeah, well, I don't have a lot of stuff that I made. I posted about a typeface research or some related work that I did recently. I tried to do uh use a porcelain marker
Oh
on
yeah, I saw
a
that on your. I've
glazed
been
pot.
watching the whole thing on your stories.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
fascinating.
Yeah, so that's another thing, by the way. I need to post more on Reels and not on stories and put my
हाँ जी,
face
on the
out
main
there a
feed,
lot.
please.
Yes,
हाँ,
yes.
on the main feed. Yeah.
Face, put my face out there a lot, which I'm really, really conscious of. But yeah, I'll get to that.
No,
So
I get
yeah,
it. हाँ, conscious तो
uh,
सभी होते हैं, but yes, you gotta do it.
yeah, I guess. So that I've been doing back in Brisbane. Since I didn't have a job back then, I was in Brisbane for 6 months about that time. So I got to collaborate with a city council. There was
Oh,
this art gallery that was hosting an exhibition for a lot of different types of artists, poetry, different mediums, epoxy resins, stuff like that. So I had a stall over there and I did live calligraphy. People
cool.
brought in bottles, I painted on them. People
Wow.
and there was like a small donation box and I didn't charge for anything. And it was fun. I got to know about the culture here so much and I got to talk to a lot of people, a lot of different artists. I still am some friends with some of them. But yeah, so those kind of events I've done, few. I can count on my fingers, but yeah, that's what I've done in the past 1 year. In
Amazing.
um, in Darwin, I am looking forward to this dry season for the markets. Oh, the markets happen on the beach, so it's
Oof.
amazing. It's another experience. Last year, I was almost at the end of it when I got here, so just went around and saw what happens. But it's
अच्छा.
amazing. People here, there's going to be a gin festival. I remember it's called the Top End Gin Festival. I recall back in India in Gurgaon there used to be a gin festival. I remember.
Yes,
There was
yes.
like, yeah, those are the kind of opportunities I'm looking at now. Maybe
अच्छा.
do like live brand activation and
Yes.
kind of those things. So yeah. Um while we were talking about typeface, I think I'll show you something that I
Yes,
recently
please.
worked on. It's just like practice. So this is kind of
हाँ. Bring
this
it
is
a bit
what
closer. Wow. Okay, cool. हाँ,
this is the
sure.
kind of things I this is my pastime, by the way. I would keep me watching a series and writing things on the side, whatever
अच्छा.
I'm grasping from the so this is my just my way to relax. I love to cook and I love to do this. So
अच्छा.
apart from work.
Ooh, you love to cook. अच्छा, चलो, very good. चलो बताओ, what do you like eating? What have you been cooking there?
Oh man, and by the way, like no disrespect, but pata nahi, why do Indians not know how to cook here when they serve? Oh my God. Why do they add sugar and butter chicken is out of my understanding. It's like
Yeah, I have
I'm
noticed
like
that.
and it's like sugar thoda bahut ho just to add to the flavor, that's all right, but like
Yeah,
make it a dessert.
मीठा, मीठा, हाँ.
Yeah.
क्यों है ऐसे यहाँ पे? Even I'm not
So
entirely
So
sure.
I cooked butter chicken and I fed people, and there were like some people who had authentic butter chicken in India, and there were some people who had butter chicken in Singapore that they liked. They had butter chicken here, so there was like a group of people, and they were like different opinions, and they're like whoever has had in India was able to say that this is what you get in India.
Yes,
This is
please.
what
Thank
is
you very much. मुझे लगा था कि ये एडिलेड में ही प्रॉब्लम है, but clearly Darwin
all
has
over.
also not been spared.
All over. वैसे मुझे लगता है कि this is a problem back in Mumbai as well. You don't get good butter chicken in Mumbai either.
Oh, अच्छा. I have no idea.
Pune,
एक तो ये
so I've
मुझे
lived in Pune for 2 years, traveled across a little bit across Mumbai and all. So no,
मुझे तो
no.
ऑब्सेशन ही समझ नहीं आता कि बटर चिकन के साथ क्या ऑब्सेशन है. ठीक है, बटर चिकन है, खा लो, हो गया. मतलब लाइक
हाँ, वो मीठा है इसलिए.
a lot of people, like yesterday only I was making a joke. I was saying that white people, when they say that they've eaten Indian food, they're talking about like butter chicken and they're talking about gulab jamun. Like beyond that, उनको नहीं पता Indian cuisine में क्या होता है.
अच्छा नहीं, people know here. Apparently, some of the people have lived. So ये South Asian countries का बहुत influence है Darwin में. So,
अच्छा.
so a lot of people are from there, Singapore, Malaysia. So there's a Laksa festival that happens. That's
Ooh,
if somebody's had khao sui in Burma in India, so
yes,
it's very close to that. So and but better.
not
So
bad, not
and
bad.
it's a whole thing, by the way, and people diss all the other Australian states कि कहीं नहीं मिलता जैसा laksa Darwin में मिलता है, and they're like hundreds and thousands of vendors, by the way. So people know them by name, by the way, कि ये अच्छा है, ये नहीं अच्छा, ये अच्छा. And local news
Sure.
also covers that festival. It's a whole thing, by the way. So
यहाँ भी
वो
बहुत होते हैं. Adelaide also has its what's it called, Oz Asia Festival, and then
hmm.
पता नहीं क्या डम्पलिंग मार्केट और बहुत कुछ होता रहता है यहाँ पे भी जब
No,
चलता है
like
तो.
my understanding is कि laksa is not Australian, by the way.
What is not Australian?
Laksa, the soup, is not an Australian dish.
Yeah,
It's
I don't
like
think it is.
Malay, or they have,
I think
it's
it's
a South
Malaysian if I'm
Asian,
not wrong.
uh, different countries have different versions, by the way. So
हाँ,
it comes as a South Asian dish. So
हाँ, South
yeah,
Asian. Yes, yes.
so everybody has their version. By the so yeah, keeping that aside, people have had biryani in Singapore, and then they come back and explain that oh, I had biryani, and I listened to the explanation and I was what was it like and all of that, and I tell them that's not biryani, it's called pulao.
हाँ, that's another thing I've noticed here also. है यहाँ पे एक दो
Man, किसी
बहुत
को भी
अच्छी
आके बना
हैदराबादी
दो.
बिरयानी बनाते हैं वो लोग. बट जहाँ ज्यादातर जगहों में जाओ तो इट इज एक्चुअली पुलाव. मतलब चावल में चिकन डाल रखा है. इट्स नॉट बिरयानी. वो
Yeah,
बंद
and
करके जो बनाते हैं.
वैसे they cook the pulao like a pulao should be cooked in a pressure cooker and stuff. But They call it a biryani. No, I was like,
हाँ,
okay.
या वो
Crazy,
ये है,
crazy.
सबका अपना अपना वर्जन है, सबको जैसे जैसे पसंद है सब अपने बनाते हैं, जो बिकता है वही
So
बनता है
I
और उसको
cooked
बेचते हैं।
biryani. So I cooked biryani also here for
नाइस,
them. So
चलो डन
yeah,
डील
I
है।
like to cook.
मैं तो बेसिकली लिस्ट बना रही हूँ कि मुझे डार्विन आना है, मैं तुम्हारे साथ रहने वाली हूँ, तुम क्या क्या मुझे खिलाने वाली हो, और फिर हम
That's
क्रूज पे जाने वाले
absolutely
हैं।
yes, yes, yes. क्रूज का मुझे पता नहीं क्योंकि मैं मोशन सिकनेस की मरीज हूँ.
ओ नो,
So
अच्छा।
तो मुझे थोड़ा सा रहता है. But sometimes it's okay, sometimes it's not. So
अच्छा,
मैं
ओके।
थोड़ा I've always
नहीं, एक वो
preferred
आजकल तो वो
biryani.
बैंड आता है यार, इलास्टिक सा बैंड होता है, उसमें ना यहाँ पे एक प्रेशर पॉइंट वाली बॉल होती है, वो आप
हाँ,
अगर पहन के रखो तो मोशन सिकनेस नहीं होती, मैंने ट्राई किया हुआ
send me the link.
है। सेंड यू द
Send me
लिंक,
the
मेरे पास रखे हैं दो, मैं ले आऊंगी एक तुम्हारे लिए।
totally,
these
totally, yes,
these
yes.
days, the way technology things are changing, and there are convenient things for everything, so you never know कहाँ से क्या निकल के आता है, you like
Yes,
हाँ चलो ये ट्राई करके देखते हैं।
absolutely, yes, yes, yes.
But I'm really excited because I think you're the only friend I have in Darwin,
Darwin.
in like all of NT.
That's a
I
lot
was
of
like,
people
कोई
actually.
तो है।
That's a lot of people. वो बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं ऐसे. But
हाँ,
yeah. But
क्योंकि
unlike other years, I okay. So a funny story. Um, I was in a meeting one day. It's from a different with a person from a different department. Somebody introduced me, blah blah blah, and this is a sick guy. He's sitting across to my table, and then like, okay, brief conversation finished. Next time we meet again, but without anybody else. And then he was like, he was working on our team's calendar, some automation that we were trying to work on. And he was working on my team's calendar. And he saw last year I went to Delhi. So there was an entry Vaishali in Delhi, like that.
अच्छा,
So he asked me where are you from? I was like, Delhi. He's like, okay, where in Delhi? So like, I told him where he was. I'm from Shalimar Bagh. And he's like, you know what? I'm from Pitampura. Funny story. They're just neighboring suburbs, by the way, for somebody who doesn't know. Okay, fine, fine. And then my mind is racing now. Somebody from Pitampuras and I'm from Shalimar Bagh. There's a couple of schools in that suburb that all the other suburbs kids come to. He's
अच्छा,
like, what school did you go to? I might have friends there. And he's like, I went to this school in Delhi Cant. I was like, okay, yeah, whatever. This is not. But then he started to talk, and we realized that he went to the same school I went for
ओह,
1 year in nursery. He had an incident. His father moved him to another school, but he was in my batch. He was in my
वाह,
school for 1 year, and then it was changed. His entire family is from my school, and he has stories about Shalimar Bagh. I have stories about Pithampur. We hung out later, and it was like endless
स्मॉल
conversation, and I
वर्ल्ड,
felt
मतलब घूम फिर के डार्विन में ही मिलना था
yeah.
एसेंशियली।
Imagine that. I told my school buddies, like, I found this guy from Pithampura went to our school for a year. And like, oh,
Wow. But
it
I have
was
a feeling this is like in the air because yesterday I met this girl and we connected on Instagram and she was like, oh, let's meet. मैंने बोला ठीक है, let's meet because Adelaide में आके मैं नहीं सोचती कि कौन मुझे कहाँ बुला रहा है, मुझे कहाँ बोलता है मैं
absolutely.
पहुंच जाती हूँ।
हाँ हाँ absolutely.
तो मैं गई
मुझे बुला
उससे
लो.
मिलने, हाँ,
हाँ.
मैं गई उससे मिलने के लिए एंड देन इट टर्न्स आउट कि उसके डैड भी आर्मी में हैं और उसके पेरेंट्स भी उसी सिटी में हैं जो जहाँ पे मेरे पेरेंट्स हैं एंड उनको एड्रेस भी पता है और लाइक इतना सब कुछ कॉमन निकल आया कि आई वाज लाइक मतलब एंड आई डोंट नो द
Of
गर्ल
all
फ्रॉम एडम,
places.
वी हैव नेवर मेट, वी हैव नेवर नोन दैट वी हैव एग्जिस्टेड और वो यहाँ पे आके वी आर मीटिंग इन अ पार्क इन एडलेड and then her mom is also there and I met auntie also and I'm just like क्या हो रहा है and then her dad is traveling here so I was like uncle से मैं जरूर मिलूंगी, I'm really missing my dad, can I please see your dad and then I was like मैं यहाँ से कुछ भेजूंगी उनके लिए तो प्लीज लेके जाना है यहाँ से, she's like हाँ हाँ
हाँ.
no problem, मतलब ऐसे random यार,
Random.
so
Absolutely.
it's in the
But
air,
I
small
have
world feeling.
goosebumps by the way. वो पूरी मीटिंग हमने काम की बात कम और ये ज्यादा डिस्कस किया था.
Obviously
It's
हाँ,
like I had goosebumps, uncle, man. Out of all places, Darwin.
yes,
जहाँ मैं
of all
आने का
the gym
सोचा भी नहीं
joints
था.
in the world, yes yes. होता है यहाँ पे,
But
मेरे साथ भी बहुत होता है एडलेड में, इंडियंस के साथ भी और गोरों के साथ भी क्योंकि काफी लोग घूम के आए मैं इंडिया में, तो कहीं ना कहीं से निकल आता है कि अच्छा वो आई वाज लाइक ओ शिट, अच्छा तुम्हें कैसे पता है, अच्छा बिकॉज नॉट अ
हम्म
लॉट ऑफ पीपल ट्रैवल आउट ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया,
हम्म
एटलीस्ट साउथ ऑस्ट्रेलिया में काफी लोग एडिलेड से ही बाहर नहीं निकले हैं, तो
दैट्स
इतना
राइट,
नहीं है।
दैट्स राइट,
या बट
दैट्स
अच्छा,
राइट।
टेल मी समथिंग, आई वांट टू नो, डार्विन में आर यू अलाउड टू गो इनटू द ओशन और आर देयर क्रोकोडाइल?
Not in the city. Not in the city, yes. A little outside, yes. जैसे city limits के बाहर तुम जाने लगोगे तो वहां पे crocodiles pay you a visit.
Pay you a visit and take a bite out of you.
नहीं, ऐसा मतलब यहाँ पे काफी अवेयरनेस है, regulations है, people know about how to behave around them and all that. Stupid people are there everywhere, but हाँ,
No,
generally ये
no,
रहता है। और
excuse me,
wet,
sorry. What do you mean by people know how to behave around them? What is there to behave? Why are you still around
so
them?
uh, sometimes wet, okay, specifically wet season, they sometimes are passing the road. So if you are seeing, be aware of your surroundings, that you are in that kind of region around dams, especially.
अच्छा,
Dams are, there's this fog dam. उसके पास आपको sightings हो जाती हैं easily, like they're crossing the road, like general public.
wow.
तो you should be aware कि आपको कुछ दिखने वाला है, कुछ दिख रहा है, ऐसे if you're driving across.
अच्छा,
और I'll send you videos. YouTube is full with, आप you search for Cahill's crossing
okay.
crocodiles. You'll see there was this incident that a ute was like entangled with a crocodile, like a crocodile and a ute.
How is
उसके
that?
पीछे से खेल रहे हैं दोनों
Oh my God. How is that
Of
even like
course, it was
possible?
no. So it's a waterway actually, shallow.
Oh,
See,
अच्छा.
the utes usually cross that, but sometimes wet season में मना करते हैं कि नहीं करना चाहिए, but कर लेते
हाँ,
हैं लोग। तो वो उसमें
कर लेते
crocodile
हैं
आ
लोग.
गया, उसमें crocodile अड़ गया, उसका वीडियो भी बना लिया। Now it's a trending video on YouTube. K Hills crossing crocodile
Oh,
incident,
good
something like
God,
that.
dude. मैं
And
वही
there
सोच
was
रही थी क्योंकि one of the reasons why I was like मुझे नहीं जाना एनटी because I was like वहां पे तो पानी में घुस ही नहीं सकते because there are just crocodiles
wet
there.
season,
I was like
just
South
wet
Australia
season.
चलेगा क्योंकि है sharks है but the number of sharks compared to the number of crocodiles is like
नहीं
negligible.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। So the thing is, wet season में crocodiles आ जाते हैं वाटर
हाँ.
बॉडीज के अराउंड, बट बेबी crocodiles मोस्टली। और
Oh,
अदर्स जो बाहर पीछे का है, वहाँ यू कैन सी फुल 3 मीटर 5 मीटर crocodiles इजीली। बट सिर्फ वेट सीजन में इतना इजी साइटिंग होता है, अदरवाइज देर आर एरियाज। और वो लोग ना क्या करते हैं, दे मार्क दी एरियाज, लाइक फेंसिंग हो जाएगी कि इसके बियॉन्ड नहीं जाना, इसके
अच्छा.
बियॉन्ड इजीली वो crocodiles मिल जाएंगे, ऐसे वाला है। और जेलीफिश का भी प्रॉब्लम होता है वैसे तो, बट
Oh
दैट्स
yeah.
people are like, yeah, you might find jellyfish, but then you wash it with salt water, you find. And I'm like, okay.
No, no.
Okay.
Excuse me. Wash it with salt water. I've been stung by a jellyfish, but that was many years ago in Goa. कुछ नहीं
Okay.
होता salt water से उसमें. And one of my
और
friends
यहाँ
was
पे
like,
तो लोग, यहाँ पे लोग, they're like, I've I've been bitten by jellyfish so many times, ठीक हो जाता है
sometimes
मतलब
I
पूरा।
feel that Australians are made of something else. बचपन से they have interacted
Absolutely.
with all this stuff, so they are just
हाँ।
made of something else. मुझे तो लगता है मैं तो मर ही जाऊंगी। एक बार मुझे जेलीफिश ने और उसके सिर्फ आई थिंक 3 उसके जो सक्शन कप होते हैं ना वो लगे थे मेरी जेली टांग पे। I was dying because I was like this is burning and
Okay.
eventually what worked was somebody poured vinegar on it. But what they
हाँ
did
वही।
was कि वो रेस्टोरेंट में ना मिर्ची वाला विनेगर नहीं आता इंडिया में वो डाल दिया। मैंने कहा तुम पागल हो, मैंने तो इतनी गालियां दी उसको, मैंने कहा साले विनेगर लेके आ, तू पहले उसमें विनेगर
इंडिया में
डाला।
हो रहा है ये
तब तक मैं फ्रेंड्स
सब।
के साथ थी, वन ऑफ माय गाय फ्रेंड्स वाज लाइक I heard that you can pee on it and it will become better. And the fucker
Friends,
actually peed on my
friends.
leg. And it did nothing. I
that
was
comes
dying.
that comes from friends. That's friends. The
It
moisture
does
the
not
vinegar
work.
got.
I can vouch for it. It does not work. And
Okay.
eventually the plain
Good
vinegar worked.
knowledge.
Thank
Sorry?
God.
Vinegar
जो
worked?
हाँ प्लेन विनेगर था दैट वर्क बट देन
अच्छा।
वो जलता रहा काफी टाइम तक, फिर अपने आप 2 दिन में चला गया यार। इट्स लाइक
दो
ओके।
दिन this guy, I had this conversation with this guy who's like a real athlete, वो मतलब ट्रायथलॉन्स वगैरह करता है, और मतलब 50 किलोमीटर तो ऐसे ही साइकिल कर जाता है मजे मजे में ऑन अ वीकेंड। तो दिस
मजे
गाय
मजे।
और उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड भी, लाइक ही इज 50 years old, आई एम नॉट
श्योर।
किडिंग। उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड भी अभी दे वेंट टू न्यूजीलैंड फॉर दिस ट्रायथलॉन समथिंग, दोनों के दोनों। दिस गाय And he's like, मैं उससे बात कर रही हूँ and he's telling me कि jellyfish, हाँ, I've been bitten by jellyfish. It just stings you for an hour and then it's fine. You just wash it with salt water. Like, okay, all right. I'm not going, but all right.
Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. Nee, but like my impression of crocodiles was that like you couldn't even go to a beach in Darwin. Like if you went to a
नहीं,
beach, there would be crocodiles. ऐसा
पेट
नहीं है?
सीजन में वो बोलते हैं, मैंने तो फोटोशूट्स किए हैं भाई। मैंने ऐसे मजे मजे में बोल दिया एक दिन कि मैं ऐसे ही आई वांट टू ट्राई पोर्ट्रेट फोटोग्राफी, सो इज समबडी अप फॉर इट, आई वांट टू डू इट विद कपल्स एंड। अच्छा, फेसबुक का काफी सीन है बाय द वे। यहाँ पे हम फेसबुक पे पोस्ट कर दो ग्रुप्स में, आपको रिस्पॉन्सेज आएंगे, लेजिट रिस्पॉन्स, एंड यू कैन वर्क थ्रू इट। सो आई डिड दैट, आई डिड अ शूट ऑन मिंडल बीच। इट वाज एम्प्टी बिकॉज वेट सीजन। और हम लोग ऐसे बोल रहे हैं कि कुछ ध्यान रखना, जेलीफिश ना मिल जाए, ये वो, बट नथिंग, इट वाज ऑलराइट।
Sure.
I've heard about beaches on the outskirts, वहां पे बेबी crocodiles दिख गए हैं, but that's about it. कल की वीडियो में आया है कि somebody, fishing is a thing by the way, फिशिंग सबके घर में रॉड्स होंगी, फिशिंग रॉड्स
हाँ, वो तो
एंड
यहाँ पे
फुल
भी है.
इक्विप्ड।
That's like Australian. Yeah.
फुल इक्विप्ड, तो सम पीपल वर फिशिंग ऑन द वाटर फ्रंट, लाइक जो रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं सारे वहां पे, तो उसके बाद पार्किंग में लोग अपनी गाड़ी पार्क करके लगा देते हैं और उसकी बूट में बैठ के फिशिंग करते हैं।
हाँ.
तो वहां बैठ के वो लोग फिशिंग कर रहे थे, बेबी शार्क, somebody caught a baby shark in their hook.
Oh,
So there was this video because nobody wanted to take a baby shark home, so the people were entangling out the hook. Oh
हे
man, the stories,
भगवान.
I love this place.
I know. People are so chill. In general,
I know,
people are so chill
it
here.
is
Yeah.
true.
यहाँ पे भी
Yeah.
सबके घरों में फिशिंग रॉड्स है. मतलब यहाँ पे मैं किसी को
Hmm.
बोलती हूँ कि oh I've never been fishing. They're like they look at you as if you're a fucking alien
Dude,
because it's such
I
a
was in
huge part of
Adelaide for a
culture.
bit, three
हाँ.
three days, और हम लोग ऐसे ही वॉक जेटी पे वॉक करने चले गए, और वहां पे टू किड्स टू किड्स वर फिशिंग, और उन्होंने मुझे सिखाया फिश करना। ओ, यू नॉट डूइंग इट राइट, इट्स लाइक दिस छोटा सा टिंगू सा बच्चा, और उन्हें बोल रहा है कि
Yeah.
यू नॉट डूइंग दिस राइट, डू इट राइट। आई वाज लाइक, ओके सॉरी।
They're so, even the kids, yeah, yeah, and everyone is so goddamn friendly and they're more than happy to like help you and chat with you
All the
and
time,
all.
all the
Love that
time,
about
all the time.
Australia.
I love
Yeah.
that story of yours, जो your somebody who lent their car to you, and I was like, wow,
Yeah,
man,
एक साल
that's
होने
so
वाला
cool.
है. They gave it to me in April last year and I still
Yeah.
am driving the same car.
Yeah, I know. And they're not, they're like, they won't tell you कि वापस चाहिए, ये है वो है। They are mindful कि हाँ, जब बंदे की नीड खत्म हो जाएगी वो दे देगा, और ऐसा कोई वो नहीं है कि भाई कुछ बहुत बड़ा कर दिया है, ऐसा भी नहीं है। So that was
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
That's
Like for him, it was like, yeah, you need a car. I've got a spare car. Here you go. Like it's like, yeah,
yeah.
it makes sense. In my head, I was like, हैं ऐसा भी होता है?
Yeah.
It was-
So look
Yeah.
at this. I'll show you. I don't know if you can see, but these are the kids who taught me to
Oh
fish
my
in Adelaide.
God. Oh wow, that is so cute. Adorable. Acha. Good on you,
This guy,
yeah.
this small guy was like, you don't know how to do it. I'll tell you how to do it. Listen to me.
Oh, मेरे साथ तो kids का last, I think the interaction I had was I was on one of the beaches here, Christie's Beach, and there were these two young girls who were in the water. Young मतलब मुझे लगता है 7-8 साल से बड़ी नहीं होंगी, दोनों साथ में थी और उनका डैड जो था वो बीच पे बैठे हुए थे. So he came inside, he put them in the water, told them to be careful, and then went sat on the beach. One of them was his daughter and one was her friend. तो मैं भी साइड में पानी में घुसी and I was squealing. I was like, oh my God, it's so cold. And you know, I do the whole shrieking thing. I have a lot of fun in the ocean. तो मैं घुस रही थी तो वो मुड़ मुड़ के मुझे भी देख रही है. They also started shrieking, yes, do it. और हम तीनों चिल्ला रहे हैं. मैं पानी में घुस गई. So I went a little ahead of them because they were shorter, so they were staying a little closer to the shore. मैं घुस गई पानी में. So I was like, oh my God, it's so cold. And they're like, it's okay, do it. Just hold your nose and just go in. You know, it's really quick. And I was like, oh my God, yes, thank you. So I went in. I came out and I was screaming and I was like, ah, it's so cold. They're like, oh my God, you're such a baby. And I was like, excuse me. So मैंने पूछा उससे, मैंने कहा, how old are you? She's like, you take a guess, how old am I? So I said, I don't know, like 7 or 8 maybe. She's like, I'm 10 and she's 11. You're wrong. And I was like, oh, okay. So I was like, okay, tell me how old am I? And they're like, you're 45. And I'm like, इनको कैसे पता चला? Oh my
So
God.
funny.
It was hilarious, dude. बड़ा मजा आया. So yeah, kids here don't give a fuck. Actually, nobody does. Everyone is so chill, So friendly, any kind of conversation, nobody gets offended. It's like
Yeah,
मस्ती
I
करो.
guess थोड़ा सा जो मेट्रो सिटीज में फर्क और डार्विन में फर्क सिर्फ इतना होगा आई गेस कि पीपल आर इन अ रश, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ क्राउड, और यहाँ पे देयर इज
कुछ
नो
भी नहीं.
क्राउड, देयर इज लाइक ओ मैन, किसी भी जगह से किसी भी जगह जाने के लिए आपको 20 मिनट से ज्यादा नहीं लग सकते।
हाँ तो मतलब डार्विन की पॉपुलेशन क्या है पता है क्या तुम्हें? मैं गूगल करके
Oh my
देखती हूँ.
God. I am ready to be
Population of
shocked. Okay, I'm gonna Google this.
Darwin.
Yes.
Population of Darwin is 140,000.
That's not even a suburb in Delhi, by the way. I am
नहीं,
sure of
और
that.
एडिलेड, ओ माय गॉड, एडिलेड इज ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 मिलियन. अच्छा, मुझे नहीं पता था कि इतना डिफरेंस
तो
है.
यहाँ पे, और
तुम्हारे लिए तो
यहाँ पे
एडिलेड भी
लोग,
बिजी लगता होगा तुम्हें.
लगेगा, बिल्कुल लगेगा यार। आई वाज लाइक, और यहाँ ट्रैफिक जैम्स नहीं होते, सबसे बड़ी बात है। मैं उस दिन एक न्यूज आर्टिकल पढ़ रही थी जिसमें वो ये बोल रहे थे कि मेलबर्न में अभी मोस्टली जगह तो है नहीं सीबीडी में रहने की, किसी के लिए जगह नहीं है, सब पीपल आर मूविंग आउटस्कर्ट्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। तो
या
इतना लंबा ट्रैफिक जैम हुआ कि लोग 2 घंटे लेट हो गए ऑफिस पहुंचने के लिए। एंड आई एम लाइक, आई डोंट नो दैट शिट, सॉरी। मैं
नहीं,
5 मिनट वॉक करके जाती हूँ ऑफिस, बाय द वे।
ah, I feel like Adelaide is also headed in that direction of Melbourne because the way the city is planned, I mean, kar to rahe hain upgrade, they're upgrading the South Road and things like that. The airport is being upgraded. But it's like, the roads are not meant for such a big city. It's a
हाँ,
small city. तो उसकी जो
यस,
डेवलपमेंट जिस हिसाब से हुई है, तो
यस।
ट्रैफिक जैम, मतलब मैं तो पीक आवर्स में आई डोंट ट्रैवल एट ऑल. तो मैं तो तभी जाती हूँ जब मुझे पता है पीक आवर खत्म है ना. इट्स वेरी क्लियर व्हेन द पीक आवर्स आर हैपन
हम्म,
हियर. बट या पीक आवर्स में यहाँ पे भी लोग बैठते हैं ट्रैफिक में. आई हैव नोटिस दैट.
या वो इंडिया वाली आदत है guys।
नहीं, इंडिया वाली हालत तो कहीं भी नहीं है, कहीं भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया
आदत
में.
है, आई वेंट, इट्स हैबिट, दे habitual from India,
हाँ, हैबिचुअल
so
वाली
they're
बात
okay,
है या.
so they
हाँ,
are okay with it, so probably
या.
that,
नहीं,
yeah,
मेरे लिए तो इट्स इवन इन इंडिया आई यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल ओनली ऑफ पीक आवर्स. तो मैं
same,
बोलती थी अच्छा कल सुबह की मीटिंग है ना, तो मैं रात को अपनी फ्रेंड के घर पहुंच जाती थी दिल्ली में. मैंने कहा मैं यही रात को सो के और सुबह मीटिंग अटेंड करके जाऊंगी बिकॉज आई एम नॉट स्पेंडिंग 3 आवर्स इन ट्रैफिक. नो
हाँ।
वे.
मेरा तो, आई वाज वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम, तो व्हेनेवर आई यूज्ड टू हैव, मतलब मुझे ऑफिस जाना पड़ता था, तो आई यूज्ड टू प्लान लाइक अ डे ट्रिप। मुझे
एग्जैक्टली,
दो
करना
घंटा
ही पड़ता है
ड्राइव
यार.
करना है एक साइड, 2 घंटा ड्राइव करना है एक साइड, तो मैं तो
हाँ,
पूरा
किसके
डे
पास
ट्रिप।
टाइम है? नहीं तो यार इट्स क्रेजी. मैं तो
मैं
बोलती
हाफ डे करती थी
थी.
बाय द वे तब। मैं नहीं लगा रही अपना पर्सनल टाइम ट्रैवल में।
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली, या. नहीं यार, मेरा भी सारा वर्क फ्रॉम होम ही था अनलेस आई हैड अ शूट और इफ आई हैड टू डू सम कंटेंट और व्हाटएवर. तो मेरी तो मीटिंग्स होती नहीं थी. मैं तो बहुत अवॉइड करती थी मीटिंग्स. है मुझे मत बुलाओ मीटिंग के लिए यार, वहीं पे वीडियो कॉल कर लेना, उधर बात हो जाएगी. नहीं नहीं, वी वांट टू मीट यू. और फिर कपड़े वगैरह ट्राई करने होते थे तो उसके लिए तो देन यू हैव टू गो
Yeah, yeah.
बड़ा सोच समझ के कि हाँ जी 3-4 घंटे लेके चलो फ्री में. अब मैंने कहा सबको, मैं बोलती थी 12 से 3 के बीच में मीटिंग करा लो क्योंकि 12 बजे मैं
That's
पहुंच
not
जाऊंगी
peak.
एंड थ्री
Yeah,
ओ क्लॉक
that's
आई
not
विल
peak.
लीव सो दैट 4 बजे से पहले आई एम बैक होम.
Yeah, right. That's absolutely right. Yes.
या.
These are changes जो अच्छे लग रहे हैं यहाँ पे। मैं तो काफी
हाँ,
रिलैक्स्ड हूँ, मुझे तो लग रहा है कि मेरा स्ट्रेस लेवल्स ड्रॉप हो गए हैं मैं।
सेम फॉर
और
अ लॉट.
पोल्यूशन तो है ही, एक लेजिट रीजन है ही, बट
ऑफ
या।
कोर्स सबसे, हाँ, काफी लोगों के लिए तो वही सबसे बड़ा रीजन है.
हम्म।
स्पेशली पीपल हु आर प्लानिंग टू हैव किड्स एंड ऑल. लाइक आई कांट इमेजिन समवन वांटिंग टू हैव चिल्ड्रन इन अ प्लेस लाइक दिल्ली. इट्स जस्ट टू मच. या.
एंड इट्स सैड आल्सो, बुरा भी लगता है फिर सोच के कि यार, हाँ, लुक हाउ इट्स
हाँ,
गोइंग। एंड दिल्ली, आई लव दिल्ली मैन, मतलब
मी टू.
कुछ साल पहले तक तो मुझे ऐसे था ही नहीं कि मैं कभी आई मूव आउट ऑफ द कंट्री। मैं तो लाइक आई एम सेफ हियर।
हाँ, मैंने भी
बट
कभी नहीं
देन
सोचा था.
दैट चेंज्ड ओवर
हाँ.
अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। यस,
And
दैट्स
so
राइट।
funnily enough, my two options were also Canada and Australia. And I was like, Canada तो मैं नहीं जाऊंगी.
ब्रो, इमिग्रेशन प्रोसेस सपोर्ट्स दीज टू आइडियाज बेसिकली, तो मेरे को ये
ओह,
लगता है कि वन ऑफ द टू।
हाँ.
और फिर
तो बट
कनाडा की
कनाडा,
स्टोरीज भी थोड़ी अजीब आने
हाँ.
लगी थी इन टर्म्स ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड स्टफ, पीपल आर
अच्छा नहीं,
रियली
वो सब तो
स्ट्रगलिंग।
मुझे पता ही नहीं. मेरा तो बस ये था कि इट्स टू कोल्ड एंड इट्स टू क्लाउडी. आई प्रेफर ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया वाज द ओनली वन दैट हैड फोटोग्राफर ऑन द बी स्किल लिस्ट.
ओह, ओके।
So I was like, हाँ ये ठीक है. This sounds like my kind of place and they like photographers. चलो इधर चलते हैं. It was literally it was that.
मेरा तो ट्रिगर ऐसा था कि लाइक entire department moved to Australia in 2018-19, तब मेरा आइडिया नहीं बना, और फिर कोविड आ गया, so that got delayed. My PR process took 3 years, by the way.
हाँ, my visa process took 4 years. COVID. I
Oh,
waited for four
besides
years.
that, say hello. Say hello.
Hi. Meow.
Pedro, say hi.
Meow.
He can't hear you, but yeah, okay.
Oh shit, so I'm mewing into your ears. अरे यार. Oh my God. मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है. I live in a house share, so my landlady she has two cats. तो मैं उनके साथ ऐसी बात करती हूँ. कई बार मैं ऐसे करती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है दरवाजे पे बाहर खड़ी होंगी दोनों की. हेलो, हमें बुलाया तुमने?
Yeah,
ओह,
yeah, that's right.
चलो ठीक है, ऑडियंस की एंटरटेनमेंट हो जाएगी कि ये बिल्ली की तरह म्यू म्यू कर रही है. ओह
Yeah.
माय गॉड.
So this
अच्छा
is
ये
this
बताओ.
is the foster cat, by the way. कोई
अच्छा.
This lady who is on maternity decided to spend her maternity in Bali
अच्छा.
क्योंकि वहाँ हाँ वो उठ के अपना बोल रही उसके पास ट्विंस है और she's got like a baby girl now. तो वो गई है वहाँ जाके इंडोनेशियन सीखेगी. She's a teacher by profession. उसको
अच्छा.
maternity leave मिली हुई है. She's gone there. She's gonna study. Her children are going to study Indonesian वहाँ पे. उनका एक added language वाला वो हो जाएगा. So Pedro is their cat, and she was like, lift में लगा हुआ था notice. So we reached out to her. Of course, we reached out to her. She was like, yeah, दे दो हमें दे दो हम पाल लेंगे.
So cute
So he's
यार.
us. Oh my God, he sleeps with me like curled up. Or he's not like the other cats actually. He's like really cuddly. मतलब cuddle
हाँ.
करके सोता है.
हाँ, ये यहाँ पे इनके पास भी जो कैट है उसमें एक है, उसको तो हम बोलते हैं कि ये पिछले लाइफ में डॉग रही होगी पक्का, क्योंकि वो सबके
हाँ.
पास जाके फेस रब करके वहीं गोल गोल घूमती रहती है वो. कितना ही
New
चैडल चला
people.
उसे.
हमारे
एंड द
घर में
अदर वन
पार्टी
इज लाइक,
होती है.
डोंट
लोग
कम
आते
क्लोज
हैं.
टू मी.
यस हमारे घर में पार्टी होती है. लोग आते हैं तो ही इज लाइक बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स विद देम ऑलरेडी.
ओह.
He's like, what? I didn't know this version of cats, by the way. So,
अच्छा, ओके. आई मीन आई हैव
yeah.
नेवर हैड अ कैट बिफोर, बट आई लाइक बोथ कैट्स एंड डॉग्स. तो मेरे को तो सारी
Same.
बिल्लियां पसंद है. सब आ जाती हैं हाय हेलो करने के लिए, बट आई यूजुअली leave the cats alone because I'm like they'll come to you when they come to you. Same with
Yes.
dogs.
Yes.
I'm just like
They are
whatever. I'm not going to
temperamental.
be like oh my god kuchuku. I'm like हाँ ठीक है तुम उधर हो मैं इधर हूँ आना होगा तो हेलो बोल लेना.
The only difference between that cats and dogs, I think, is कि cats are self-service. They don't need you to walk them around.
हाँ,
फूड
true.
वाटर रख दो एक साइड में. अपना जब मन करेगा तब खा लेंगे. और जितना खाना है उससे ज्यादा नहीं खाएंगे.
उससे ज्यादा नहीं खाएंगे. नहीं,
लिटर ट्रेन्ड
ये
होते
यहाँ
हैं.
वाली कैट को छोड़ के, क्योंकि वो डॉग की तरह है, उसको जब तक आप बंद नहीं करोगे वो खाती रहेगी. So it's like बस
Oh,
stop
that's
stop.
bad for cats. Yes.
I
Yeah.
know.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. So fun,
Yep.
yeah. Lives are so different here in Australia. I like it.
Yes. Absolutely. Yes.
Acha, I had one question. What is the meaning of your handle? Augustrum. How do you pronounce it?
I call it Augustrum. I was looking for a brand name. The first thing that came to my mind was I had to include August because that's when my birthday is.
Sure.
Uh, and I am literally obsessed with my sun sign, with the month and all of that.
Acha.
France में the last company I worked for was France Telecom, and France में August is like a holiday. They
Holiday.
don't even look for work. मतलब मेल्स तो देखते भी नहीं है. और कोई कह दे कि काम कर लो, it's like an offense. So I was like तुमने बोल कैसे दिया? तुम कैसे बोल रहे हो मुझे कि मैं मेल देख लूं? There are a whole lot of reels by the way इस पे भी. तो I was like यार ये तो मेरी कॉलिंग है. तो मैंने उसको
August.
include किया. And then I was really at that point of time in life when I devised this, I was obsessed with Ram.
Oh,
And
no way. That is adorable. I love it. I love it.
I
100%
I was
approved.
in I was in Pune. I was all मेरा पूरा circle. I was hanging out just with army brats and
मैं बोलने
वो
वाली
लोग
थी ओल्ड मॉक.
रामन कोक के अलावा कुछ पीते नहीं थे और हम भी वही पी रहे थे और we were having fun and all of that. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार मेरा आर्ट भी इतना कन्वेंशनल नहीं था. किसी को समझ नहीं आता था एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. काफी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट था और वो सब. तो मैंने कहा एज अनकन्वेंशनल एज रम इन ऑगस्ट, like August rum. Because not a lot of
Amazing.
people drink rum in August. It's a winter's drink.
Winter
So
thing. मेरे लिए तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, मेरे को तो कभी भी पिला दो.
No, general perception I meant.
General
So
perception
that's
is
true for
definitely that,
people
yeah.
like us. That's true for people like us. कभी भी पिला लो and all of that. I got a bottle India से legend. और अच्छा यहाँ पे there's this thing about calling people legend. बहुत अच्छा कोई
Yes,
काम करते हैं, you're
it's a
a
very
legend and all
Australian
of that.
thing. Ooh,
And I
legend.
tell I tell them this is like old monk legend. It's like this so happy. Wow. I've had a full conversation about that, by the way. I got two bottles. I gave my previous landlord one, and I kept one for my office folks, and
Cute.
they
So
they relished it.
cute. Old monk. सही है यार, यहाँ पे भी old monk आ रही है. I like it.
और मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था इंडिया में. I forgot amongst other things. I bought it from duty free. वहां पे
Oh,
उनके पास वो छोटी वाली नहीं थी, सिर्फ लेजेंड थी,
छोटी.
but that worked.
Whatever. हाँ, old monk is old monk यार, कोई से भी पिला दो यार.
Hmm.
कोई सुनेगा कहीं पत्थर ना मारे कि हमें ऐसे कैसे बोल रहे हो. ओल्ड मंक की सब अलग अलग टाइप की होती है. हाउ डेयर यू.
कोई ना किसी बात पे तो ऑफेंस ले ही लेता है, तो
ऑलवेज ऑलवेज. हाँ, या.
हम्म, एक बार
नाइस.
और मिलवा देते हैं इनसे हम. हाँ, कहाँ गए हैं ये रहे. हाँ, ये देखो.
हाँ, पर वो सुन तो सकता नहीं कि मैं उसका नाम ले रही हूँ या उसको इतना म्यू म्यू कर रही हूँ यार. और बिल्कुल मुंह फेर के बैठा हुआ है वो भी. उसे पता है कि हाँ, मॉम इज बिजी. आई कांट हियर यू नाउ. अच्छा, अब सुन रहा है? नहीं.
You can't hear
हाँ.
me?
यस, नाउ आई कैन हियर यू.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It takes. Oh, look. Oh my God.
Now I'm doing.
Yeah. Now he's not interested. He's run away now.
अरे यार, चलो ठीक है. We tried. हाँ, say something. नहीं. Now say something. Can you hear me? I can't hear you.
You should be able to hear me now.
हाँ, अब आ गया.
Yeah.
हाँ, it takes a few seconds to kind of
Yeah,
reconnect.
yeah.
But so cute. Thank you so much. I love talking to kitty cats.
Yeah.
Oh, nice, nice.
Okay. So yeah. So
तो
that's
तुम
about
लोगों का
it.
प्लान यही है कि तुम लोग डार्विन में ही रहने वाले हो और या क्या?
We're
Because
building a
you've seen
house.
Brisbane. Huh? You're building. Oh yeah, you're building a house. Oh yes, yes. How is that going? How is that different from building a house in India?
Absolutely different. मतलब इंडिया से कोई वो नहीं है. मुझे तो हम तो we joke about things like कि टूरिस्ट वीजा पे बुला लेते हैं मेसनरी काम करने वालों को. काम करवा के भेज देंगे. That's our
Shit.
running joke. But it's expensive. It's expensive. Um, a lot of things we had to work out in the background, and lot of expenses, thinking, lot of compromises on terms of spending.
Of
But
course.
it's going to work out, yes. But
Of
that's the
course.
thing about Australia. Another thing about Australia or any country that favors immigration is कि वो लोग सोचते हैं इसके बारे में that the number of people are rising, so we need to raise the availability of housing and all of that. That's another thing I appreciate about this country or any country that supports immigration per se. So yeah,
Yeah, that's an
I
interesting point. हाँ, काफी support मिलता है वैसे देखा जाए तो. I mean, I did have a complaint like initially when I came here. I was like, मुझे बुला तो लिया photographer visa पे, अब मैं यहाँ पे करूँ क्या? Like there was zero support. Like I have no idea because I'm here on a visa. I'm not on PR. So I don't know if there is a difference between the two. But like I was like, what?
yeah, there is.
Yeah.
Yeah. वैसे ऐसे कोई सपोर्ट पीआर वालों को भी नहीं मिलता है, बट जस्ट दैट
हाँ.
एक कॉर्पोरेट कल्चर में देयर इज दिस वन
Yes.
बाइफर्केशन और डिस्टिंक्शन कि अगर आप पीआर पे हो तो ज्यादा लोग आपको प्रेफर करेंगे.
Yes. हाँ.
सम जॉब्स हैव, जैसे फेडरल गवर्नमेंट तो हायर ओनली सिटीजंस for
Yes.
obvious reasons.
Yes.
But then there are a lot of IT jobs that only hire people who do not have visa restrictions, who are
Yes.
on a permanent visa, or who do not need sponsorship. तो
हाँ.
वो एक
Of course.
चीज रहती है.
वो तो सबसे बड़ी चीज है. लाइक आई हैव अ फ्रेंड हु इज अ शेफ. ही इज इन न्यूजीलैंड. जूनियर शेफ है वो मेरे को काफी टाइम से बोल रहा है कि मैम कुछ हेल्प करा दो, एडलेड में मुझे जॉब दिला दो, स्पॉन्सरशिप दिला दो. एंड आई वाज लाइक स्पॉन्सरशिप तो भैया बहुत मुश्किल है.
For anybody, like अब ये एक ad के जैसे sound करेगा. For anybody who needs a sponsorship, Darwin is a great place. By the way, people offer sponsorship ऐसे.
हाँ.
Excuse
Bless
me.
you.
Yeah.
ठीक है, maybe I'll tell him to try Darwin. I don't know why
Yeah.
I don't think he is particularly keen on Adelaide. He just wants to come to Australia because he did mention that New Zealand में opportunities बहुत कम है.
और cost of living भी बहुत ज्यादा है.
बहुत ज्यादा है. हाँ, that is
I
true.
know There's this friend of mine from school who moved to New Zealand when we were in class 3 with her own family. Her father probably got something to do with business and all. So I connected with her when I moved to Australia, and I got to know that the whole family moved to Melbourne
अच्छा.
because it was very difficult in New Zealand.
हाँ.
So
True. True.
now they're thriving, they're working, and
हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स. नहीं, बट न्यूजीलैंड में बीच बीच में आता रहता है, लोग बोलते रहते हैं कि कुछ नहीं है न्यूजीलैंड में करने के लिए, ऑस्ट्रेलिया चलो. सो आई वाज लाइक
oh
ओके, बट
yeah,
इट्स
it
इट्स अ
probably
ब्यूटीफुल कंट्री.
it
उफ
is.
यार.
It is
Stunning.
very, what I like about New Zealand, I've never been though. Whatever I've heard back in India, back here and everything, it's driven by its Maori culture, and I love that.
या.
Like Darwin also has a lot of Aboriginal culture driven things. Like यहाँ तो bush ही है सारा.
हाँ.
So people are from there, and there's a lot of influx of Aboriginal people over here.
हाँ.
So यहाँ तो you see a lot of Aboriginal cultural driven initiatives, art
इंटरेस्टिंग.
galleries, works, सब
हाँ,
कुछ.
मैंने भी बीच में आई हैड पुट अ क्वेश्चन ऑन माय रील सेइंग वेयर आर
हाँ,
द ओरिजिनल ऑस्ट्रेलियंस, तो काफी लोगों ने लिखा था गो टू एनटी, यू विल फाइंड ऑल ऑफ देम इन एनटी.
yes,
तो मैंने बोला
yes,
यार, तो कितना
yes.
गलत है ना, यहाँ पे भी है तो कहाँ है, लाइक हाउ डू यू कनेक्ट विद पीपल एंड स्टफ. सो आई हैव कनेक्टेड
Uh,
विद अ फ्यू ऑनलाइन, बट
हाँ,
ऑफलाइन अभी तक आई रियली हैवंट डन एनीथिंग अबाउट इट.
ये मतलब यहाँ पे क्या है ना, एक तो आइलैंड्स है, रिमोट
अच्छा.
आइलैंड्स, लाइक दिस ग्रूट आइलैंड, देयर इज अ क्रिसमस आइलैंड जो उधर है, क्या कहते हैं, पर्थ वाली साइड पे, वेस्टर्न ऑस्ट्रेलिया की जुरिस्डिक्शन में है.
हाँ.
Then there are other islands over here. Then there's the Nullarbor region, which is high on the FIFO jobs, fly in, fly out.
यस.
वहाँ पे बहुत Aboriginal population है. इधर एलिस स्प्रिंग्स और
हाँ,
कैथरीन में
एलिस स्प्रिंग्स
बहुत है.
ऑल्सो.
Uluru is driven by Aboriginal culture completely.
ब्यूटिफुल. हाँ.
So very beautiful. So yeah, this is, or yeah, Darwin is the nearest city, I think, without
हाँ.
crossing the state border, of course.
यस.
So you see a lot of people here. So उसमें हर तरीके की चीजें अलग, मतलब नॉन पार्लियामेंट्री चीजें भी दिख जाती हैं, बट
ऑफ कोर्स,
या
ऑफ कोर्स.
या
या. नहीं, मेरा था कि लाइक है इतने सारे लोग, एंड यू नो वन ऑफ माय थिंग्स व्हेन आई गॉट हियर, वन ऑफ माय विजन्स was that I would like to eventually set up a place, like a huge house or something, where anyone who's moving to Adelaide will have a place to stay. Like, you know, the first 1 month or 2 months when you're looking for a job, you don't have a car, you can't find a place to
very
rent because you
nice.
don't have any rental history. I said eventually I would like to have a place like that where people can just come and stay for free. No like money to be paid, just come set yourself up, and once you're done, then you know, you go out and in whatever way you want to contribute to new people coming in, more than happy for that. तो
Like
उसी
a
हिसाब से
hostel.
आई वाज थिंकिंग कि लाइक इवन नाउ आई वांट टू सपोर्ट पीपल इन व्हाटएवर वे आई कैन. अभी मेरे पास घर तो नहीं है, बट आई वाज लाइक अगर मैं किसी की ऑनलाइन बिजनेस सपोर्ट कर दूं, आई हैव अ पेज, राइट, इफ आई कैन डू समथिंग फॉर देम, आई बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू डू दैट. And I was like, who are these people who need that assistance? It's mostly either immigrants or, you know, Aboriginals. So I was like, maybe if I can connect with someone, you know, there are a lot of entrepreneurs. I know they exist, but I just don't know where they are. So I have connected with a couple of them online. है brands भी हैं जो कर रहे हैं, ज़्यादा established नहीं है. So I was like, I'm more than happy to, like, you know, support them, don't charge them anything, and just do stuff for them. क्यों नहीं? Get them more visibility, because at the end of the day,
Yeah,
I feel visibility is the main thing which
that's right.
everyone is kind of lacking. It's like पता तो चले कि ये exist करते हैं. So that was
Right.
one of the reasons why I put that out.
Right. That makes sense. But that's also another thing. The government also has a lot of things uh, to support the culture.
I know.
Uh, jobs हैं और initiatives हैं, NGOs हैं, things. People are actually कभी-कभी देख के ऐसे लगता है कि यार कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो which are like
हाँ.
different and मतलब not really cool, or
Of
how can I
course.
explain this? Okay, so there are like cultural abnormalities, कह लो.
No, I mean, I
So
feel that there is a huge, I mean, in general, when I got here, I felt Australia had an alcohol problem. And there are a lot of First Nations people who have alcoholism issues also. So the way the way I have seen a lot of Aboriginals, most of my interactions have been People, have left really rude comments saying that, oh, go to Adelaide railway station and you will find them on the sidewalk. And that is a known area for people who do panhandling or people who are homeless and stuff. And a lot of them are Aboriginals. So a lot of people have that impression, but it's not, that's just a small part of the
Yes,
community which
and
exists
I
in
think
every race or religion.
वाइट कल्चर का इन्फ्लुएंस बहुत है एंड
हाँ,
वाइट कल्चर में अल्कोहल इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम इज अ वे
हाँ,
ऑफ लाइफ
yeah,
इट्स योर कंपेनियन विद फूड बेसिकली और ये लोग पीते हैं तो देख ये लोग चखने वाला कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है इनका ये डोंट ईट एनीथिंग एट ऑल फूड इज अल्कोहल इज बियर इज द फूड एक्चुअली
हाँ,
when
sure.
they're
I get
drinking
it. I get
so
it. Yeah.
when something like that comes in essentially gets ingrained in your culture and you don't understand that you have to draw a line और तुम्हारी बॉडी जिनोलॉजी ऐसी डेवलप नहीं हुई है कि एक अल्कोहल के लिए एक सर्टेन वो इम्यूनिटी है तुम्हारी बॉडी में
Sure.
तो it's going to have adverse effects so people have fallen for that I think
Yeah,
that's
sure.
the
I
kind of
mean, see,
thing
again, you and I are talking, मुझे तो पता नहीं है. I'm just talking from what I have perceived or what my own interpretation is. So, yeah, but generally, when I got here, I still remember I used to travel by bus. तो मैं 3-4 बार जब सिटी जा रही थी बस से सुबह सुबह like 7 बजे because यहाँ पे offices people start leaving for offices and peak hour traffic is 7 in the morning. And I remember sitting in the bus and looking out of the bus, and there was this, white Australian, a big beard, balding guy, very like big muscles, and he was chugging a beer at 7 in the morning in his car while he was
absolutely
driving.
normal
So for me, it wasn't like ये तो मैंने इंडिया में भी नहीं देखा है. इंडिया में
नहीं
भी
नहीं
it
यहाँ
was
के लिए नॉर्मल है
हाँ मुझे नहीं पता था. So when I got here, I was like, oh, इनको तो बड़ी drinking problem लग रही है मुझे. And then I started noticing it. Even people getting on the bus, they would have alcohol breath at 7 in the morning, and I was like, what is going on?
that's right
So
so I
yeah,
was saying so ऐसे ऐसे elements जब city में हो जाते हैं तो the first people who come to rescue are Australians people
हाँ,
immigrants whites or brown whatever they come to the rescue and they do not cringe at one point कि मैं कैसी चीज से they are genuinely invested in the cause and they are so happy to do it so I think that kind of really had an impression on me that well, people have a big heart over here. So
sure, yeah, yeah.
people
No,
go
for
out in the
sure.
bushes who've grown up all their lives in cities, willingly go to remote islands or like bushes like Catherine or Alice Springs and live their lives serving the people over there, nurses, first
हाँ,
staff that just addresses
first
an
responders,
incident.
हाँ.
Yes, first responders, all of that. तो मुझे वो देख के काफी I'm really impressed by
हाँ, नहीं यहाँ पे I feel that in general Australian culture is very, they understand the importance of community and supporting each other.
definitely
But I
that's right.
also feel like largely that seems to have gotten lost along the way because मैं यहाँ बहुत लोगों से मिली हूँ white and whatever. I feel like people are really missing a sense of community. At least Adelaide में मुझे ये feel होता है. I don't know about Darwin. Like यहाँ पे
Not at all. Every
हाँ
यहाँ पे वो community culture बहुत strong है. Like everybody will tell you, everybody will know everybody because it's a small town. Uh, कहने की बात है. Not everybody genuinely knows
नहीं नहीं
everybody.
वो तो
सबको पता
एडिलेड
है.
को भी कहते हैं कि इट्स अ स्मॉल टाउन एंड एवरीबडी नोज ईच अदर बट आई फील दैट इन जनरल मोस्ट पीपल फील डिस्कनेक्टेड आई लोग अपने अकेले में ही रहते हैं इफ दे आर दे डोंट रियली हैव समवन टू टॉक टू अनलेस इट्स जस्ट फैमिली and we all have weird dysfunctional relationships with our family so I have felt that a lot of people are looking for that friendship or that genuine connection or just to like
Yeah.
hang out with like-minded people which I don't think is really happening in Adelaide like अपने इंडियन
Hmm.
कम्युनिटी में भी हाँ ठीक है मंदिर है there's a Hanuman temple there's a Ganesha temple there's a ISKCON like right behind where I live but so people do come together and there is that common thread कि अच्छा you are a Hare Krishna person so I'll talk to you or whatever but I still feel like इनको छोड़ के ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है
नहीं
तुम्हारे वहां पे मंदिर है डार्विन में
है मैं तो कभी नहीं गई मैं I tried to go to गुरुद्वारा once but it isn't the same feeling मैं एक बार गई दो बार गई पर मुझे वो वो बंगला साहब वाली फीलिंग है वो नहीं आई so I
श्योर
was like my God is in my heart that's all
नहीं ऑफ कोर्स वो तो है ही हाँ
और
या
प्लस religious places per se in countries like Australia are more of filled with people who are trying to seek help in some sort of the other, and less of a religious spiritual place, मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
अच्छा,
मतलब मुझे ऐसा
दैट इज
फील
नॉट द
हुआ.
एक्सपीरियंस दैट आई हैव हैड हियर. यहाँ पे तो अलग ही सीन है. एडिलेड में कम्युनिटी भी ज्यादा है ना. आई थिंक एडिलेड में इंडियन
हाँ,
कम्युनिटी इज
probably.
मोर देन 50,000 पीपल.
हाँ, यहाँ पे इन टर्म्स ऑफ साउथ एशियन अपना वाला जो ये इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, नेपाल, बांग्लादेश, श्रीलंका. So Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, these are the three countries which dominate the population.
अच्छा,
And
ओके.
Indians, of course. But
हाँ,
Nepalis are the maximum in terms of
अमेजिंग. तो
ये
मोमोज
वाला.
बहुत अच्छे मिलते होंगे वहां पे फिर.
नहीं मिलते, किसी को नहीं आते बनाने
अरे
वैसे.
यार.
नहीं मिलते यार. और मिलते भी है तो I have not found it yet. But yeah, नहीं मिले, मुझे नहीं मिले. Uh,
चलो, आई होप यू विल फाइंड मोमोज. मेरे को बड़ा मन कर रहा है टू फाइंड आउट इंडियन पॉपुलेशन.
Here, have you been to Humayunpur in Delhi?
यार, अब मुझे याद नहीं है. गई तो होंगी मैं, बहुत टाइम हो गया.
So there's this northeastern influenced area in Humayunpur. वहाँ पे मोमोज चलते हैं. और I've never had momos like that. अब मुझे वो याद दिला दिया है and I'm like, oh.
ओहो. Wait,
Oh.
2026. Indian population is about 160,000 people. What? No,
100 and
that's population. Indian population बताओ यार.
where?
Demography of Darwin. Wait. Uh, Australian, English, Australian, Aboriginal, Irish and Scottish. अच्छा, Indians तो है ही नहीं क्या ज्यादा. Because in Adelaide, I had checked the population of Indians in Adelaide. The last time I checked was around 50,000.
Okay.
हाँ, that's interesting. हाँ, Indians तो
Hmm.
इसमें दिखाई नहीं रहा है. अच्छा, the top 6 countries of birth are Australia, England, New Zealand, Philippines, India and USA. हाँ, नहीं, बहुत
That's
कम है.
for
अच्छा, मतलब
Adelaide or Darwin?
Darwin.
Sure.
हाँ,
But
fascinating.
मुझे यहाँ पे Nepalese influence बहुत मिला है. I mean, a lot of
अच्छा,
people. Hmm.
Indian population in Adelaide, last I checked was around 50,000.
Sure.
35,000 according to 2021. तो हाँ, I'm guessing वो 50,000 ही होगा अभी.
Something like that.
Darwin. हाँ?
And every year it's increasing. So this guy I was talking about who's from Pitampura, I met at work. He
हाँ.
told me he's been here for the last 4 years, and he has told me that he has not. So wet season एकदम खाली खाली सा हो जाता है सब जगह ना, roads वगैरह, no festivals,
हाँ.
no engagement, nothing. तो wet season ना बड़ा ऐसे वो होता है कि वीरान सा हो जाता है जैसे डार्विन. He said that this year it's not the same. This year he has seen a lot of people, especially from our countries, Delhi, India, Pakistan, Nepal,
हाँ. During
Bangladesh.
the wet season.
Yes, so a lot of people are moving here. मुझे लगता है it's on the way to becoming a metro city, like you said.
I mean, it will. At some point, it will. I mean, obviously, like Adelaide, डार्विन से ज्यादा पॉपुलेटेड है. एरिया वाइज भी बड़ा है. बट उस
Hmm.
हिसाब से मेलबर्न एंड सिडनी तो बहुत ही बड़े हैं. एंड पर्थ इज ऑल्सो ह्यूज. So yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, I feel like Darwin in terms of a lot of people who are from India, जिनको आदत है कोस्टलाइन में रहने की, उनके लिए तो Darwin is perfect. क्योंकि एडलेड जैसी जगह में भी मुझे लगता है लोगों को ठंड लगेगी. लाइक मैं अभी भी आई हैवंट एक्लेमेटाइज्ड. मुझे ठंड बहुत ज्यादा लगती है.
And
तो
it's
धूप में
the
निकलती.
winters from Antarctica actually, जो winds आती
हाँ.
हैं
हाँ.
उधर.
So it gets really cold. So I'm like, oh my god. So मेरे तो विंटर के कपड़े ज्यादा हैं यहाँ पे. समर. Sure,
Oh, I
summers are
miss
also
that.
there and it's fun. But
That
yeah.
is something I do miss. मुझे अच्छा
हाँ.
लगता है winter styling.
तो डार्विन में बिल्कुल भी विंटर्स नहीं होते.
No,
हाँ, because it's
it's
on the
Goa.
equator,
It's
right? Yeah,
Goa. It's
equator, yeah.
absolutely Goa. गोवा के जैसे हम मुंबई वालों का मजाक उड़ाते थे ना कि भाई तुम कैसे बोल रहे हो कि ठंड होती है, वो वाली चीज है यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे ठंड नहीं होती. इट्स जस्ट वेट एंड ड्राई सीजन. तो अभी वेट चल रहा है तो वैसे तो ह्यूमिडिटी है.
Oh,
बट
wow. I'm just looking at the temperatures in Darwin and usually, oh my God, पूरे साल ही मतलब 30 डिग्रीज रहता है मैक्सिमम. शिट.
नहीं
अच्छा,
नहीं
मुझे नहीं पता था.
मैक्सिमम. हाँ हाँ हाँ, that's right.
No, they're showing the record high, but mean maximum is usually around like 32, 31,
हाँ
30 year round.
yes
January
yes
to December, I didn't know that.
yes
Oh my
उसमें कम हो
God.
जाता है मतलब 15 16 पहुंच जाता है ड्राई सीजन में बहुत बहुत
Record low 10 डिग्री तक भी गया हुआ है, but that's
ज्यादा
literally record low. Otherwise, mean
yes
minimum is around 25, 20,
हम्म
19. Oh, sounds nice, यार.
तो अभी
Except for the
वेट सीजन है
humidity.
तो अभी ह्यूमिडिटी खूब होती है बट इफ यू आर लिविंग समवेयर इन द सीबीडी एरिया यहाँ पे अपार्टमेंट में रह रहे हो तो आपको एयर कंडीशनर मेरा एसी नहीं चल रहा है सिर्फ वेंटिलेशन है और वी हैव टू टाई द प्लांट्स आउटसाइड द
हाँ,
पॉट्स no matter how big they are when the winds get strong which is once a day at least तो वो इतने बड़े बड़े पॉट्स भी
हाँ,
फर्नीचर उड़ने लगता है I've seen
श्योर.
that
वो हवा तो यहाँ भी बहुत तेज चलती है एडलेड में भी. जब चलती है तो
yes
एकदम से, बट इट्स नॉट एवरी डे. Like we have windy days when it's like,
exactly
भैया put everything, peg it down, नहीं तो सब उड़
they
जाएगा.
call it the breeze but it's
सही है.
nowhere
बहुत कम
light
इंडियंस
as
दिखा रहे
breeze
हैं यार ये तो. सो
कोई बात नहीं
मुझे आई एम
We'll,
सो लाइक आई एम वेरी फैसिनेटेड बाय ऑल दिस. कितना है पॉपुलेशन? 2021 में देयर वर ओनली 4,000 इंडियंस इन डार्विन. तो अब 5,000 हो गए
2021 में
होंगे.
पूरी पूरी पॉपुलेशन कितनी होगी
पूरी पॉपुलेशन अब यार वो तो कैलकुलेट टोटल लगाना पड़ेगा, मुझे नहीं पता.
तो
इट्स
वो पूरी पॉपुलेशन भी कम होगी इंडियंस
हाँ,
कम
पूरी
है दैट्स
पॉपुलेशन
ट्रू
भी कम होगी ऑफ कोर्स.
नेपालीज कम्युनिटी बहुत ज्यादा है
नहीं
बांग्लादेशीज
है.
बहुत ज्यादा
नेपाल
है
नेपाल इज हाफ ऑफ इंडियंस. इंडियंस अगर 5,000 है तो नेपाल सिर्फ 2,500 है नेपालीज पीपल.
I see a lot of them around
हाँ,
at work
फैसिनेटिंग
in
है.
markets पूरी कम्युनिटी है
2021 में
फेस्टिवल्स
पॉपुलेशन वाज 1,40,000. बहुत ही कम लोग हैं यार डार्विन में. इट्स सो क्यूट. इट्स लाइक अ क्यूट लिटिल
yes
प्लेस.
yes yes
अच्छा है.
but the tourists come in and they come in for
हाँ, देयर मस्ट
fun
बी अ लॉट ऑफ
तो
इनफ्लक्स एंड
ऐसा
आउटफ्लक्स
नहीं है
यहाँ.
कि खाली वैसे खाली लगता है बट हाँ the
तो
general
रहने वाले
population
लोग
is
कम होंगे.
living
हाँ,
it
नाइस यार,
people
फैसिनेटिंग.
people travel in caravan मतलब caravan culture like
वो
you said
तो
in the
अगेन
video
ऑस्ट्रेलियन
तो
कल्चर.
yeah
हाँ.
तो वो लोग यहाँ पे यहाँ मतलब I've seen at least 3 caravan parks तो मैंने ही देख लिए तो
यहाँ तो भर
it's
भर के
full
कैरावन पार्क्स हैं ब्रो.
I'm sure
फैसिनेटिंग.
yes.
अच्छा.
mm.
मैं तो एक ही बार आई हूँ. वी स्पेंट द नाइट इन अ होटल देयर एंड इट वाज वेरी लाइक ह्यूमिड एंड ऑल एंड इट वाज वेरी क्वाइट. कोई शोर वोर कुछ नहीं था. यहाँ पे तो अगर सिटी में आप सीबीडी में चले जाओ तो कहीं ना कहीं पार्टी चल ही रही होती है, हैंडली
ये तो
स्ट्रीट या कुछ
सीबीडी में तो
कहीं.
यहाँ भी पार्टी चल रही होती है यू
अच्छा.
मस्ट हैव नॉट बीन इन द सीबीडी वर यू
क्या सीबीडी में ही थे जहां तक मुझे याद है, बट अगेन एक ही बार गई हूँ मैं तो मुझे इतना से ध्यान नहीं है.
let's just
इसका मतलब
one
मुझे
of
फिर से
those
आना
days
पड़ेगा एक बार और.
बिल्कुल
एटलीस्ट.
यार एक बार क्यों मतलब more than that absolutely
नाइस. कूल है. चलो कुछ करें, रैप करें. 1 घंटा तो हो गया है.
हो गया I didn't
हाँ,
realize it was a nice
7:40
time
होने वाले हैं.
which tells
वही
us this was a nice time
वही तो मैंने बोला, नहीं पता चलता है यार, निकल जाता है टाइम. बिकॉज इट्स
yes
माय कॉन्वर्सेशंस आर लाइक दिस. दिस इज व्हाट
yes
आई एंजॉय.
I
एंड
trusted you I totally trusted you on that
हाँ, नो स्ट्रेस एट ऑल.
mm.
But I appreciate the effort and you look really beautiful. Bindi,
Thank
earring,
you
साड़ी and everything.
भाई कोई एफर्ट नहीं है इसमें मेरे लिए दिस इज
नहीं, वो
लाइक
मेरे लिए है क्योंकि मैं तो साड़ी सोच के ही मुझे पसीने आ जाते हैं कि ओह अच्छा, मैंने पता नहीं कब से नहीं पहनी है साड़ी यार.
ओके
है ही नहीं मेरे पास साड़ियाँ. So maybe that
मैं तो
needs to
एक
change.
सूटकेस पूरा भर के लेके आई
And that's why you think it's easy because you've been doing this as a habit.
हम्म
Cool है.
मैंने
ठीक
तो
है
पूरा
जी.
एक्सप्लेन किया था जब मैंने ऑफिस में पहनी थी पहली बार व्हाट इज दिस
अच्छा. Oh, so cute. चलो ठीक है, करें फिर, रैप करें.
एब्सोल्युटली सो
ओके
नाइस
जी, नमस्ते जी. थैंक यू वेरी मच. दिस वाज एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक टॉकिंग टू यू. बहुत मजा आया.
सेम सेम
डार्विन
सेम
के बारे में
एब्सोल्युटली
बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला मुझे आज.
यस यस
एंड
नाउ
वेरी
व्हेन
नाइस
यू
टू
कम
मीट.
टू डार्विन इट वोंट
हाँ,
फील एज एलियन
बिल्कुल डन.
या
चलो ठीक है. यू टेक केयर एंड
बाय
please post more content on your Instagram. I look
I
forward to
will.
seeing more of your side hobby as well as more of the way you live life and stuff and more of
Yeah.
Davin. करो
Yes.
इंट्रोड्यूस यार इंडियन लोगों को भी Davin से बनाया करो थोड़े वीडियो पार्क वार्क बीच
Okay.
वगैरह जाती हो तो.
Done. Done. Done.
And
I
when
will
you
do
do
that.
the markets, yes, we definitely want to see more content.
Yes. Yes. I'm looking at that. How that works out for me.
Awesome.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Okay,
See you.
bye. Take
Bye.
care.
Bye. Bye.